Dear PRM Associates, through this video today, we will give you the information about PRM's Cough segments, Coffee Junior Syrup. So let us talk about Coffee Junior Syrup is firmly established in the market since 2016 and successfully won customer trust. So here is why Coffee Junior Syrup is different than other kids cough syrup. It has kids' favorite cherry flavor and unique set of 19 herbs like tulsi oil, nilgiri oil, haldi, and kalonji seeds. Now let us see the indication of Coffee Junior syrup for the kids and infants. Relief from cough, cold, and fever. And all of this at a great price that is profitable for you and affordable for the customer. We look forward to having you with us. Welcome to the PRM family. Let us extend the healthy horizons together. Thank you.